Hello, happy and smart developers. Welcome to the coding board. This is series of UI technologies and today we are going to learn selection menu controls. So let's begin the session. First we will understand select menu. The select tag generates a drop down menu from which the user can choose an option. Select opening, then we have options 1 2 3, then closing select. This is the syntax of select element. Now let me show you one practical example for your better understanding purpose. This is the code which I have already written and I am going to execute this code. It's processing. Okay, it's processed. Let me increase the size of the web page. Nothing but HTML document, and here please place your order. Then we have menu. In menu we have in breakfast samosa, idli, udid vada, and in tea we have green tea, masala tea, correct? And then in food we have dal, paneer, curry, and we have veg biryani, masala biryani. How to create this select menu option in HTML page, that we will learn today. Now let's move to our code editor. This is new file, HTML opening, and then we have HTML closing. In HTML we have head section and then we have body section. Okay, in head section I'm writing learning selection control element. Okay, and in body section what I am doing, I am taking one label for food. Please place your order. Then we have br tag. After br we have opening select, then we have closing select. Okay, in select we have options. Option value 1. Okay, let me take more options. Then we have okay value 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have 6. Okay, so this is our code. Head section, in body we have one select element, then closing body, and then closing HTML. Let's save the code. Select control.html, and now let's execute in Chrome browser. Some mistake I have done. What is that mistake? I have not used title tag. Title opening, and we have title closing. Okay, save the code and refresh. Let me increase the size of the web page. Please place your order. Then we have select control menu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can choose anyone. 5. Okay. So I can select only one option. Let me refresh once. See, already one is selected, but I don't want that. For that reason, what I will take one dummy option. First option will be dummy. Option opening and closing, and here we have menu. Refresh. Okay, so now I can select any one of these 6 options. I will select 3. 3 is selected, but suppose I want to select multiple options, then what I will do, I will make use of one boolean attribute, multiple. Now save the code and refresh. See here, it is allowing me to select multiple options. What I will do, I will select 6 and 4. 6 control and 4. See how many options I have selected. 2 options I have selected. Similarly, I can select another option 1. See, 6, 4 and 1. So we can select more than one option when we use multiple boolean attribute in select element. Okay, or we can say select opening tag. Now let's understand how to make grouping in select menu option. In option, we need to take one another tag, opt group. Okay, opt group opening and opt group closing. Okay, then in between those, what do we have? We have option opening and option closing. In opt group we have options, but what is the label of that option group? Label is equals to, let me write in capital, drink. Okay, similarly I will take another group for breakfast, then I will take lunch, then I will take dinner. Okay, so how many groups we have? We have total 4 groups. Name of those groups are drink, breakfast, lunch and dinner, and in those we have options. What is the option? In drink we have tea, then we can have masala tea, then we can have green tea. Okay, and in breakfast we can have samosa, idli, and we can have vada sambar. See here, vada sambar. Okay, and there should be value is equals to t value is equals to masala. Why we are using these values, that I will explain when we will learn JavaScript. Okay, and then we have green tea. In option we have value, I am writing SM. Similarly we can take IDL for idli, and for vada sambar we can take WS. Okay, in lunch we can have veg biryani, value is equals to VB. Okay, veg biryani, and value also can be masala biryani. Then we can have fish curry, okay, and in dinner we will have only one option. What is that option? Option can be full meal I will take. Okay, I will take value is equals to full, and here option can be full dinner, okay. So I don't want this option. What I will do, I will remove this. Now it's perfect. In menu we have, this is op group 1, op group 2, op group 3 and op group 4. Then closing option and then closing select, closing body, closing HTML. Let's save the code and verify whether our code is working fine or not. Okay, so here you go. Let me remove this multiple for better understanding and refresh. See, let me reduce the size. Here, please place your order. In menu we have these things: drink, tea, masala tea, green tea; breakfast, samosa, idli, vada sambar; lunch, veg biryani, masala biryani, fish curry; dinner, full dinner. Okay, let's take it chicken dinner. Chicken dinner. Okay, refresh and here we go. Chicken dinner. Okay, dinner, chicken dinner. Okay, in this way we can create option groups also in select control element of HTML5. Now there is one another control element in HTML5. What is that? That we will learn. Option groups we have learned. Why we use option group? With the help of group, our options can be grouped in particular class or group. Okay. Now data list. What is data list? That we will understand. The tag specifies a list of predefined options for an element. A tag specifies a list of predefined options for an element and provide an autocomplete feature on elements. Users will see a drop down list of options as they write. Let's do it practically so that we will understand this very well. For understanding purpose, I will take br tag, then hr to separate our previous output and current output. Okay. Now here at line number 33, input list is equals to languages. Okay, this is one list element. Let's save the code and execute in browser. Let's check. Okay, but we are not getting any list of predefined values, correct? So what we will do, we will take one tag with name data list opening, data list closing. Okay, and what I am telling, please listen carefully because this is very important. Here I will have to take one attribute id. Id is equals to languages. Okay, now in opening and closing data list I will take option value is equals to English, then I am taking another option Hindi, and I am taking another option German, French, and we can take option value is equals to Tamil, then we can take another option Telugu, Tamil, or we can take Telugu, or we can take Malayalam, we can also take Punjabi, we can also take Urdu. So there are so many languages in India and we respect every culture. Okay, but I cannot write all the languages in my list because we need to understand the concept, we need to focus on the concept. Okay, now let's save the code and refresh. See, observe carefully, I am refreshing. Once I refresh, here I am getting one down arrow. Okay, previously I was not getting this down arrow. Observe here, Here you need to observe when I am putting my cursor at this place, then I am getting this arrow. When I click inside this input box, then I am getting predefined list of values. I can select language English, Hindi, Tamil, Malayalam, Punjabi, German, French, any language. Okay, so in this way we can create input menu selection controls, input selection controls using HTML5. Okay, and now let's move on. Data list is done. Now what is remaining? The remaining part is HTML event attribute. What is event? That we have already discussed. Event is nothing but action. Types of events: HTML form event, keyboard events are there, then we have mouse event also. So already I have explained what is event and what event can do, correct? And when I will teach JavaScript, there I will explain all the events with practical example. There you will have more clarity. So that's it guys. Here we are finishing, or we can say we have completed our HTML5, and immediately we are going to start CSS3, cascading style sheet 3. Okay, and you all are invited to become part of this beautiful journey. Thank you so very much for all your support. If you have any doubt, you can reach us through comment box. We will be happy to solve your doubt, and you can share your feedback also. Your feedbacks are precious for us. Thank you.